Michael, a Mercedes guy again, with one of my shop tips. And I've got a lot of them over the years. I actually grew up in a wrecking yard repair shop, so I've been working on cars my whole life. Okay, you got a bolt that's got some buggered up threads, and you don't have a die that size. What you want to have in your tool assortment is what's called a thread file. And as you can see, it has all kinds of pitches. Now this is actually for American threads, but when you're repairing bolt threads, it hardly matters. So what you do, you find the pitch, and there's the pitch. You close your vise, lay the bolt on there, and work away at that damage. And bingo, I fixed the threads, and I don't have a tap or a die to go over the bolt. This is great for just quick fixes. So buy one.